Stacie, what is this? What are we watching? What are we watching? Airplane? Are you waving at them?
Come here.
What do you want the airplane to come here? Are you gonna pet it?
Hey, there's another one over there. See it in the clouds? Above the trees. Over there. You see it?
My cheeks hurt.
She did this for a whole hour when we were out here last night. She's
Yeah.
the airport's in the same direction right now too.
Yeah.
They're taking off. This runway right here, they take off, and then the next one they're moving.
Yeah. You're another one.
Yeah. Stacie, look up there.
Going
See
to
it?
the field. You're going to the other airport.
See it? No, you didn't see that one. Here, put you on your movies up.
Sounds itching.
There's another one coming towards you.
Trying to get the airplane to come here.
You'll see it in just a second.
Hey, Stacie, look over there. Another one.
Look at that one.
You see it?
Yeah, there's some more. Here comes one right behind you.
Jeremy, get down.
Sorry.
I want in.
We'll put you in there.
See it? See it?
Go around to the back.
Is it coming in?
Going up here or not?
Is that an airplane? Is that an airplane coming?
Is this fun, Stacie? Yeah, I see it.
See that airplane?
Stacey's way now.
Yeah, that's Stacie's way. She's got a mission.
Oh, look at this.
She's on a mission for those planes.
Busty.
There's Jeremy. Are you big and strong? All right.